All right, friends, so we are going to be making some more Omaha steak things. This one is ground burgers. So it comes with 4 beef burgers. And we're going to go ahead and get these cooked up. I'm going to leave these frozen because that's how I normally do my hamburger patties. All right, friends, so I have my cast iron skillet here. I'm going to go ahead and place our burgers right on there and let them start cooking. I'm also going to go in with my steak seasoning that we used yesterday for the steaks, and I'm going to put this on the burgers because this is really good. But I'm going to wait until this thaws out some. Went ahead and put a lid on it to help steam it and cook it a little bit faster. Alright, I always toast my buns. That's the way I like it. Alright, now I'm going to go in with some cheese. Let that melt. Alright, I'm going to go in with some barbecue sauce. And go in with our patties. Don't those look delish? All right, so for me, I have to have pickles on mine. Let me know in the comments if you're pickle people. I love dill pickles. Hubby, not so much. All right, friends, and there we have our amazing Omaha steak burgers. Now let's go in and give this a try. That barbecue sauce and of course the pickles just hit it just right for me. I love pickles. Absolutely love them. Gotta give these a try, friends. Let me know in the comments how you like your burgers and how you like to cook them. And until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.